Hello, this is Naim. In this video, I will show you how to create a track order page in your Shopify store. It's totally free, and we know when we will use a Shopify app for track order page, order tracking page, then we should pay them because many order tracking app available in Shopify app store and maximum offering 50 order tracking, it's free, then we need to pay them. Okay, so in this video I will show you how to create a track order page and it will be workable. So if I put a tracking number, then if I click track, then we can see it's loading here, the information, it's working. But here its problem is here some ad will show, but it's good because we are getting it's totally free. Okay, so if I go to my another store like here we have not any track order page, so it's a down theme. So now I will create a track order page in this website, in this store. So go to page section, then I need to create a page for this website. This page name will be track your order, TRAC, okay, track your order, track your order, and it will be default page, it will be visible, and here I need to put some code. So we will do this page with a code. So I will provide you the code, here the code. I will provide this code docs link on video description. I just select all and then I just Ctrl C for copy, and then I will put this code here. In the content section, we know here we can put HTML code, show HTML, then we can put here code. Okay, so after put code, then we can preview. So now we can save, and now we can view this page. It's loading. Yes, it's working. Here the track order page working. So if I click the if I try to track anything else, like this is the tracking number, if I click on the track, yes, it's working. Okay, so now I need to use this track order page in our Shopify menu item. So how can I do that? So I just go to content section, then menu, then it's our main menu. Then I need to use here page, at the pages, then track your order page. So if I want, I can remove your word, and now I can save. Okay, so now if I go to this home page, yes, now it's working, track order. So if I click the track order button, then we can put again the number, we can track easily. Okay, so here now we know how can create this track order page totally free. We can order tracking unlimited here, unlimited product, unlimited order we can track here. Okay, but here one problem, track your order, this title is nice, middle line, but here the page title is not good for this page, it's double, it's multiply. So I need to remove this section, I need to remove this title section. So how can remove? So for this also I will provide a code in the video description, here all instruction here. So I need to go to online store, then themes, then edit code. So how can go? Just click on the online store and it's loading. Here the three dot, here the edit code, and it's loading. Just a few minutes wait, and we can see again the docs file. Here go to online store, theme, then edit code. Okay, we did, and open file section to main page dot liquid file. Okay, this file we need to open. Okay, section main main page liquid, this section. Okay, main page liquid we opened. So now find this, just select this section, main page title, this text, copy in my clipboard, and if I Control plus F or Command plus F in the Mac, Command F, then it's find option available, then we can paste the value here and we can see just one result available in this page. And here we can after H1, then we can put few enter. Also before H1, it's mean here few enter I put, because we need to remove this section. We need to remove this code and we need to replace with this code. But here on thing, track your order. Here this text, it's a handle of the page. So what's the handle? So go to the page and track your order page, and here you can see the page is track your order. If I Control Shift R for hard refresh, track order, and here domain.com, then pages, then track your order. This it's mean it's your page handle for your track order page. Okay, so I just copy this thing and I will paste here, track your order here. Okay, so it's same, so it's not showing anything else. Okay, so I will just copy this code and I will go again this section and I will delete, and now I need to paste. Okay, so I paste. So here I need to save, click save, and if I save, then it's reflect here. So now if I refresh, then I can see this title will be hide. Control R for refresh. It's working. So now its tracking order page is fantastic, it's working. Okay, so I need to check again it working or not. Just click track. Okay, yes, here it's perfect. Okay, so I hope now you understand how you can create a track your order page on your Shopify down theme with free method. You don't need pay anything, it's totally free. So I hope you understand. Thanks for watching this video, and if you like this video, you can subscribe me. Bye bye, take care.